Yo, what's up, guys? I'm here for a Pokemon video on the Pokemon Scarlet and Violet 151 on the first pack. Before I start my video all across the whole entire world, subscribe if you're new, share out the video, push the notifications, and the good old like. Let's start. Razz Energy. And there we go. Jolteon, Tauros, Weeping Bell, Diglett, Drowsy, Bulbasaur, Slowpoke, Hitmonlee, Wartortle, Hypno. Oh, that's it. No. All right. I guess that's about it then. So that's it for the video, guys. On the cards on these guys here, I got Wartortle, so yeah, that's about it for the video, guys. On the I get this thing out of the way. Damn it. Who cares? Alright, that's it for the video. My final thoughts all across all across the whole entire world. Subscribe if you're new, share out the video, push the good old like, and push the notifications. Live long and prosper, and peace out. Peace.